Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Alright, early morning, 7:19. Woke up at 4:30 this morning. Grinding, people, just working, just studying, reading. Alright, people, this is what I do every single day. I just try to implement everything that I try to teach you guys. Alright, I try to every single day lead by example, people. I can't be just talking about it. I like to walk the walk, talk the talk. So I be up every day 4:30, doing what I gotta do on an every single day basis. All right. So right here, this video right here, we're gonna grind, people. We're gonna grind in this video. I'm gonna show you my video. I'm gonna show you. It's gonna be an Insta GC cash out review mini tutorial. All right. My favorite site that I use to watch videos. All right. Favorite site that I use to watch videos. All right. Let's dive straight in. Alright, so Insta GC right here. Alright, so what Insta GC is, see, I got one watch today, I just put it on. I forgot. Usually when I wake up in the morning, it's one of the first things I do. When I wake up in the morning, throw Insta GC on, come to my watch videos, play the videos, and let it run. Just let this run. Alright, people, let this run. But obviously I'm doing a video right now, so I don't have the volume up, so the volume has to be up. It has to be on the window, just playing like this. Alright, so I'll have this on. I'll be working out, or I'll be just, cleaning up or something like that, and I'll just have this on watching the videos that they have. Sometimes they have some good videos where you can click into the video and learn more about it and stuff like that. So pretty cool. But like I said, all you want to do is just get these watches up, get these watches up. Now if you want, alright, this is what I used to do when I was super grinding. Alright, when you got to get in the mix, you got to continue to grind every single day. Alright, so what I did is I used to have this just open it on a separate window, and I'll go to another window like this, and I have this window, and I'll be on Insta GC doing surveys. So while I'm doing surveys, I got my videos playing in the background. You see what I'm saying? So this is what you guys have to start really multitasking and really understand that you got to put everything together. Every single day, you're putting everything together. Every day. There's no days off. There's no breaks, none of that. Why? Because life is life. There's some days you're not going to be able to do it, literally. Right? There's some days you're going to be busy. Some days you might forget. Right? And so until you get that rhythm of every single day, and the faster you do every single day, the more income you're going to bring in. Once you bring in more income, then you could quickly invest in yourself and whatever you want to do. So then now you don't have to continue to use my system and continue to grind. Why? Because you have another stream of income that's earning you money easier. Maybe you have a product, maybe you started some type of Amazon store, maybe you started some type of service, cleaning service, or whatever you started. Maybe you start your own YouTube channel and you got something started generating off of that. Whatever you got going for yourself or whatever you want to do, you gotta understand, you gotta learn about it, you gotta fund it, you gotta have information about it, you gotta actually take action. Just do it. Just start it. Right? But a lot of people say, oh, I can't start because I just wish I had an extra $20, $50, right? At the end of the week or something like that. If I could just have another $100 at the end of the week, all right, then start grinding. All right, top members make $40 every single day. All right, so like I said, it's one of my favorite sites to watch videos on. All right, Insta GC. All right, go watch my tutorial. Watch my full in-depth tutorial. I'm not gonna give you an in-depth tutorial right now. This one I'm just gonna give you a quick roundabout on why I just like the videos. And I'm just going to do a quick cash out, and I'm claiming these bonuses, and I'm going to show you something pretty cool with the sports. All right. So like I said, people, there's so many different things you can do. All right. So many different things you can do. All right. So one thing on InstaGC that I love doing, like I said, watch a full tutorial. I got a better breakdown, and just stay tuned for a lot of cool things coming to the channel. A lot of different shifts. All right. A lot of different things we're going to do. And like I said, I want to start really ramping up, and I really want to start really taking off. All right, September. So these last 4 months right here are gonna be huge. September, October, November, December is gonna be huge. All right, it's really gonna be huge. All right, so let's make these next 4 months the best 4 months of our lives, and let's literally get serious. All right, people. When I'm doing everything I'm doing, I take it serious. Even though we're not making hundreds and hundreds of dollars. But you gotta take it. You gotta take $1 serious to take $100 serious. To take $200 to take $1,000 serious. To take $10,000 serious. You gotta learn, right? So you can't disrespect this $17.72 right here. All right, it's 100% free income. You see that I just cashed out another on my other channel, on my other sites. So I'm taking these sites and I'm putting them together. And remember, people, don't be alarmed to being, all you got is referrals. You got so many referrals, so easy for you. Stop saying that, because when I first started, go watch my first 50 videos. When I first started, I was making way more. I was making way more per day because I was actually grinding. Like, my grind was more than what my referrals are getting me today. Alright, because once you know how to do it and once you understand that all you're doing is answering questions, it's a survey. All you do is answering questions and you really get money, income from it, that I could put in my bank account and really go outside and use for my family or for my bills or whatever I got to do for essentials. Come on now. Like, you cannot continue to make excuses. You got to start grinding. While you're doing this, still have whatever you got going on the side. Still have your 9 to 5. You still have everything going. You're just adding this. You're just adding this to a stream, and you're adding this as another stream of income for yourself. Every single day, though. Every single day. Even if you earn $5 every single day, it's still $150 a month. You got to learn how to save that $150 a month until 10 months. You got a good 15. You know what I'm saying? 10 months. You got 1,500. Let's do something with that. Let's do something special with that money. You see what I'm saying? So in 10 months, you use my system. Now you got 1,500. You're like, all right, now let me try to do this real quick. Now I know I ain't got 10 months. All right, then what are you going to do? You see what I'm saying? So it's up to you. You got to sacrifice something. Something's going to have to get sacrificed in order for you to get where you want to be. You know what I'm saying? I sacrificed almost a year, 10, 12 months of just trying to learn how to do it. Like, trying to log into 50, 60, 70 different sites. Like, for what? Right? Just keep it simple. Keep it simple, people. All right? That's just why I do what I do. This is why I teach you guys this. This is why I show you maybe 15 to 30 different sites. I don't show you hundreds of different sites. I show you the same 15 to 30 different sites, a core 10 sites that will really help you all the time. If they're so reliable, why am I going to go look for another site? Now, if you guys have different sites that work for you, that's great. Comment below. I'll check them out. I'll shout you guys out. Check them out. But like I said, for the most part, we're just, every single day, people, every single day, you just want to add income to your income. That's all you want to do. Add income to your account. Whatever it is, your bank account, your PayPal account, however you do, whatever you get, Cash App, whatever you're doing. You want to just continue putting money into it. I don't care if it's $1 a day, even if it's $4 a day. You do that every single day. You're going to learn how to make $8. You're going to learn how to make the other $4 to make it $8 a day. Right? Your body and your mind's going to be like, whoa, I learned how to create $5 every single day. From nowhere, from home, from my phone, from my telephone, from my tablet, while I'm sitting on the couch chilling. Time out. So now I gotta learn how to make 10. Now I gotta learn how to make 15. Now I gotta learn how to make 20 a day. Now I gotta learn how to make 30 a day. Now I gotta learn how to make $40 a day. It's all you're gonna do is ramp up every single, and you're gonna find different ways and different avenues to do so. And then once you do that, you're gonna understand, okay, now I can make money easier and I can do less work. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, these sites that I'm showing you, it's not gonna make us rich. It's not gonna give us thousands of dollars every single day. This is not why I'm doing this. I'm doing this for anybody who could start off. If you're in debt, you can get out of debt. Like I use like most of them. I probably say 60% of the money I use, maybe 60%, is for my debt. Is when it's time to pay these crazy credit card bills and all that. I got an extra $200 to put here, extra $300. I got an extra $50, right, to help me out on top of whatever I was gonna pay on the bill anyway. It just helps me out. So that helps. So now little by little, every month I'm putting $300, $400 free online money to one of my credit cards, trying to get those down. I'm getting out of debt 100% free. You see what I'm saying? Little by little. So you gotta understand, like, it's up to how you want to use the income. Use it to get out of debt. Use it to earn income. Use it to gain an asset. Use it for essentials, right? It's just another stream of income. You're gonna have to work. You're gonna have to put time in. But if you have time, then you can put the work in, right? But if you're super busy, I can't. I used to say I'm super busy too. I can't. And when you need it so bad, you're gonna figure it out. When you need something so bad, you're gonna figure out how to do it. All right. Let me claim these. Let me claim these bonuses. Click right here. Now every day you're gonna have bonuses. I'm gonna go back into the last page and I'm gonna scroll down and show you guys. let's see right here. Alright. So I got these bonuses from all these days that I watch videos. They just give you little bonuses. Alright, these are just it's nothing. It's not even a penny right here. 1.09 is a penny. Alright, so these are not even a penny. Well, you know, you add them up. So right here I'm gonna add them up. And you see my points went up already anyway. I think I was at 1772. And when I had refreshed the page, it went to 76. Now it's at 77. Still at 77. See the tenths of a point? Now it's at 78. That's another penny. 79. That's another penny. And I know you guys are like, oh, that's a penny, man. It's free income, people. Like, I'm not even grinding on here the way I'm supposed to. I do what I do, but I don't. If I grind on here 24/7 the way I used to do, we're making $50 a week off this site. Easy. Every week we're making $50 off InstaGC. Every week. Let's go. Let's go. It depends what type of lifestyle you live in. It depends what type of lifestyle you want to live. What are you going to sacrifice? You're going to come home and watch Netflix? Or you're going to come home and watch movies? You're going to come home and watch, just chill, surf on the web all day, right? Just relax. Oh, I'm tired. I had a long day. I'm just going to relax for the whole night. Or you're going to get up on one of these sites and start earning some income every day, or putting $5, $10, $15 in your PayPal every single day. Boom, boom, boom. It's up to you, right? This is what I used to do every single day. $10, $15, $20 every single day. Bang, bang, bang. I need that. I need $500 this month off of free money. Oh, not from my income, not from my 9 to 5. Every single day. My girl thought I was crazy. Every day, just on the computer, just going nuts. I'm still earning my $5, $10, $15, $20 every single day. Still got $400, $500 extra every single month, people. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. You can't like say not going. I don't have to go anywhere. I'm at home. You gotta understand how powerful this is. All right. Let me claim the rest of my bonuses. I'm already at 1781. So you see how fast it kind of adds up. Now, people, this is not even every single day. Look, I skip 3 days, skip 4 days here, skip 4 days here, skip 3 days here. Like, this is not every single day, people. Like, imagine if I really like. And this would be my goal. I always put my goal $50. I always like to cash out $50. Here I'm cashing out now. Early birthday cash out. So birthday in a couple days. So I might start cashing out on all my sites. Let them build up again. Cash them out again on my born day. And after that, let them build up for the Christmas run. All right, people are going to have the Christmas run coming up. I'm going to have a video I'm showing you guys about that next. All right, so like I said, people, it depends what you want to use it for. But like after a couple more cash outs, I'm saving everything else for Christmas. Like whenever Christmas come, I can just boom, cash out December 1st, have some money to spend. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just showing you different ways that can help you. You know Christmas is coming up. You know you're gonna spend money. It's just facts. You know you are. So if you are, so just get ready for what's about to happen. Instead of it just happening to you, like, I don't have enough money for this or that. Why? Right? Start earning now. Start earning now. I have some people that showed me and hit me up and tell me they just use my system, but they never cash out. They wait till they cash out like once or twice at the end of the year. Think about that, how powerful that is. So at least you know you got at least $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. I don't know how hard they grind it, but you know you got at least $1,000. If you make at least $3 a day, you make $3 a day online, you got $1,000 at the end of the year. So. It's up to you on what do you want to do on an every single day basis. All right, so let's cash this out real quick. All right, let's go to redeem. I should have cashed it out earlier. Let's go to other rewards. Let's go to PayPal. I'm gonna put 1781. Redeem that. I might have to unlock my account since I ain't cashed out in a while. Let's see if it goes through. Went right through. Alright, 0 right here. Cashed it out. The reward has been submitted. I'll just wait until it hits the PayPal. Alright, $17 cash out right there. $17 cash out. Alright, so it's free online money maker on an every single day basis. You gotta continue doing what you gotta do. Alright, just go to earn, go to recommend, go to InstaGC. Alright. Got all the offers, everything there for you. Alright, you can do all on the last screen. If you go to videos, you can just go right here to videos and you can just watch the videos that we're watching. Just go to InstaGC under videos, click that. You see all the dates, everything I've been watching. Get